Gorgeous custom-built 4-bedroom plus an office space 3-bath home in Washington Township. This home will amaze you with it. S open floor plan custom-built entertainment center, granite top basement bar vaulted ceilings, crown molding, wet bar and much more. Relax outside on the large deck with hot tub, pool and beautiful landscaping which gives great curb appeal. If you are looking for that space that is perfect for family and friends or your own personal retreat, look no further.